Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Remove the base enclosure. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Lift the battery cable out from under the audio USB board ribbon cable above it. Remove the three 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Lift the battery up and remove. Note: removal of the battery can dislodge the touchpad bracket. Use care to keep it placed over its alignment pins. Note: make sure that the touchpad bracket is in place over its alignment pins. Align the battery over its alignment pins and screw holes, and under the audio USB board ribbon cable. Replace the three 4mm P1 Phillips head screws to secure the battery to the top cover. Feed the battery cable under the audio USB board ribbon cable. Connect the battery cable to the system board.